Hi, this is James with Super Bright LEDs. To get the most out of your waterproof LED strips, you may need to cut and solder your strips to extend around corners or use them as two separate strips. So today we're going to show you how to properly cut and solder your waterproof LED strip lights. Alongside your waterproof strip light, you'll need wire cutters and strippers, scissors, solder, a soldering iron, power wires or cable-to-cable connectors, waterproof sealant, and silicone end caps. The first step is to measure how much of your strip you will need, then find the closest set of copper pads to your length. Cut on the dotted line. On any end that will not be soldered, use a waterproof sealant and silicone end cap to prevent outside water from getting inside. If you are soldering your strip to a cable with a connector, slide the silicone wiring end cap onto the wire prior to soldering. To solder, pre-tin the wire by adding a small amount of solder to each wire. Then add a small amount of solder to the copper pads on the strip. Finally, attach the wires to the contact points, red to positive and black to negative. After soldering, slide the end cap down and use a waterproof sealant to cover both the strip connection and any exposed wire. Your LED strips are now ready to install. For more information, assistance, or to check out our selection of waterproof LED strip lights, head to our website at superbrightleds.com.